Hello, it's Laziz. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And here I am with Suzanne.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Susan. I'm his girlfriend.
Yeah, and now we're headed to Hongdae station.
Hongdae!
Hongdae. She's gonna cut her hair. I think she's kind of stressed, I don't know, because she told me that whenever the girls, they cut their hair, that means that they're stressed about something.
No, I'm not stressed today.
So I'm just wondering, what is she could be stressing about when today is Women's Day, huh?
He bought me flowers. Cute ones. So I just want to show you the after and tell a bit about the experience that I had. So I blow dried it kind of with some volume, but they took out a lot of hair. They tend to thin out your hair here, I guess. I don't know if it's like normal, but during my time here I've been to 2 hair salons and both of them did it, and I don't speak Korean. The only thing I can say is like stop that, or like don't do this, or like no, and I'm like that is way too rude. So I just sat there and accept, because I really didn't know how to say like politely ask them to like not do that. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's really thin. They thinned it out so bad. And when I have a ponytail and I'm just feeling how thin it is, they thin out from up here, and I just saw the hair on the floor so much and I was like so don't like that. Totally forgot about that, because the last time I had a haircut was been like a while. So yeah, that was kind of sad. I wanted to get like some kind of bangs, but not real bangs, not like these ones, because they don't suit my face. But I ended up with having a few shorter hairs, and then the rest is just well, this one obviously does not belong there, does it? No. So so I ended up having a few shorter hairs, and that is basically it. So safe to say I'm not a fan of this haircut. I asked to get like some layers, because in Korea your hair just tends to fall out because of the water and stuff, so I needed some volume back. I thought if I have some layers it's less straight, but they cut it like really weird and wonky at the bottom. I don't know if I can, like, it just looks weird. I don't know, it's just not how I would normally get my hair done at all. So then there's that. The only way that I like this haircut is when I curl it. So yeah, I've already curled it before washing it, so I think I'm gonna curl it again, and if I do I will show you the result as well. But as if it's like this, I'm not a huge fan. I blow dried it with volume, like upside down, boom boom boom, bum bum bum. So when I don't do that, this haircut looks even worse. Yep, that's it. That's my little update about my haircut. So I'll see you back if I curl it. The previous hair salon that I went to did a great job, but all of a sudden it was gone. It disappeared. I'm like, where to go. I had no clue. So I just walked into a random hair salon. So on the bright side, after I got my haircut done, Laziz and we went to get some really good fried chicken. Or like, was it fried chicken or something chicken with some wraps and stuff, really good. So we filmed that as well, just kind of like a vlog thingy. So I'll insert that after, well, this. So enjoy watching that, and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, that's it. Enjoy the fried chicken, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. We're gonna get some fried chicken, and we're at this famous place where even there's no advertisement. Well, apparently Gordon Ramsay loved this place. They have so much. Babe, should we get boneless, of course, huh? I don't like to bite the meat from the bone. Why you have your finger like that?
It's balancing. You don't do that?
No.
How you do that then?
So we are going to get this. It is with some wraps and stuff, and I think this is guacamole. So we got our food, and my mom is making fun of my hair. She asked me if it's pork bitte. Is that soy sauce or what? Barbecue?
I don't know. Don't touch your face with your fingers, with your hand. It's the best way to prevent the coronavirus.
Okay, I have my chicken, onion, bell pepper, guacamole. This sauce, I don't know what is that. So this is what I was talking about. Gordon Ramsay.
Is he famous?
What?
Is he famous?
Gordon Ramsay?
Yes, who is that person?
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, who is that person?
No, stop.
Is he famous?
You're joking with me, right?